Hey, what's up guys, this is Vimal here and welcome back to TRHD. Today I'm back with a new video. We have a new pair of wireless earphones to be reviewed on my desk. They're the Soul Republic Relay Sport wireless earphones. They come in this sort of box packing. It says they offer uncompromised comfort and sound. We'll have to see about that. You've got the Soul Republic branding at the bottom and a picture of the earphones over here. They come in different colors. I've got the black and grey model, and the earphones also support quick charge technology. The company claims that a 10-minute charge gives you 1 hour of music play time. Now that is super useful. Let's check out the box packing. You've got the features at the back. They have a new patented free flex design. They're super lightweight. They're also Ipx4 rated sweat resistant, supports quick charge technology, has 2 different modes suitable for both indoor and outdoor activities, and gives up to 8 hours of battery life. So these were all of its features. Now let's get started with the unboxing. Let me grab my knife and cut this seal over here. Alright, let's open it and check it out. So the box slides out like this. Looks like you've got a lot of stuff in there. At the top you have a user manual. Now make sure to read that for all the info on the product. You also get 4 pairs of ear tips in this tray. They come in all sizes: large, medium, small and extra small. So the Relay Sport earphones are nicely packed at the side of the box. Let me just take them out of the packing and show you. So here are the Soul Republic Relay Sport wireless earphones. Now these earphones do not come with the ear tips pre-installed on them. You need to fix the ear tips out of the 4 provided, whichever you feel comfortable. The build quality of the earphones is nice and they also feel quite lightweight. We'll check out the earphones in a bit. First, let me show you what's in this packet. You get a USB cable for charging the earphones. So these were all the items you got in the box. Now let's check out the earphones. I fixed the ear tips on them and this is how they look like. Let me bring them close and show you. You've got the Soul Republic branding at the back. They have a free flex secure fit design and looks like the outer cavity is entirely made of plastic and has this rubber ring running all around the cavity. I guess that helps with the extra grip. You've got the left and right indications on it as well, and the quality of the ear tips also look good. They're made of silicone and feel soft and durable. Talking about the cable, it's got a cable length of 0.6 meters and the quality of the cable is nice. You've got 2 blocks over here. One of them contains the battery and the other one has a Bluetooth module. Below the right earphone, you've got the inline remote control with 3 buttons on it: volume up, media play pause and volume down. The quality of the buttons is good, but they're really hard to press. On the other side, you have a rubber flap under which there's a micro USB port for charging the earphones. And to its right, you have a power button and a microphone. So these were all the buttons on it. There's nothing on the other one except some details regarding the product. It also has this small button at the bottom for adjusting the length of this cable. So that was our overview on the design of these wireless earphones. Now let's talk about the comfort and the audio quality. The Soul Republic's Relay Sport wireless earphones are quite comfortable to wear. They fit perfectly in my ears and do not fall off that easily even while running, and the noise isolation was okay. Coming to the audio quality was good. The mids were crisp and clear, the vocals sounded really nice, they felt warm and mellow. The treble quality was also good, but the low frequency response was not that satisfying. I felt the bass was low on them. They're also Ipx4 Sweat-Resistant, so you can even use them during workouts. Talking about the TRHD, the distortion was very less even at max volume, and I have to say this, the audio output was really high. I couldn't go beyond 80% volume level. It also has a special outdoor mode where it was slightly increasing the mids and the bass. The quality of the mic was also good during call conversations. Now coming to the battery life was decent. I was getting around 6 to 7 hours of music playtime at 80% volume level, and the charging time from 0 to 100 took about 1.5 hours. So that was my review on the Soul Republic's Relay Sport wireless earphones. They're good earphones, the build quality is nice, the audio quality is good, and the battery life is also decent. If only they had a little more bass, it would have been awesome for the price. They cost about 2,800 rupees. I'll just leave a link to that in the description box below. You can check it out there. So that was it for today. Thanks for watching this video. Make sure to give it a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel for more new awesome videos. And I'll see you in the next one.